I am Jessie Wilson, and 3 years ago we started RVing full-time, having never even stepped foot in an RV before. Bought one and enjoyed it so much that we decided after a year on the road to sell everything and do this forever or until this chapter ends. Our agreement when we started RVing was that I would do the trip planning and manage the household. Everything else on the rig was my husband's department. And that felt very comfortable until the first time he was gone on a business trip and I heard a beep and I didn't know if this was a problem beep or just a normal beep or whatever. And so I decided that I wanted to feel empowered to be able to do this even when he is not around. So I'm here at the NRVTA. I knew I wanted to build this skill set. I knew I have 5 kids. I'm very busy. I do not make the time as I should to do things. Todd makes electrical and just all of the systems that would be in any house, makes them so accessible even to a non-technical person like me. My husband hopes that I will take over 80% of the maintenance of the outside of the rig, which is probably not going to happen. Realistically, what happens is I can let him go when he needs to go and feel confident wherever I am that I can still maintain the lifestyle that we've chosen.